What's up, people? So, just a quick rundown. This is a 2015 through 2017 Mustang GT intake that I'm putting on the Coyote Swap. I am using the power by the hour accessories, so this is gonna clock your throttle body a little bit over so that it doesn't hit on the alternator mounting bracket on the passenger side. So when I put that, I installed this a while back, but I took it off to recenter the engine. And I noticed that if you look right here, it has little studs on the throttle body. I had to file them down because they were hitting and they wasn't sealing properly. I mean, I would have probably figured it out sooner or later when it was on, tuning, vacuum leak or whatever. But this one just got filed because it was getting filed with these. So yeah, so I had a kind of a gap here. So you want to be mindful of it's just not, oh, it's gonna be bolt on and plug and play and let's go. No, you actually gotta look into it and really make sure it's seating properly. These came out because I made sure that this was plastic on plastic and that gasket is real in there. So another thing is I tried to use the stock throttle body bolts, but as you can see, this little area right here, it came out, so it was like not seating all this properly. So I advise you use power by the hours researched and developed bolts to put the throttle body on. That's pretty much it. I removed the IMRC off of the intake, and then I had a plug, a vacuum plug, but it was not quite as small as I needed it to be. So this would go right there, but I just ended up using the hose and put silicone on this screw, put it in about just where the silicone will be touching the hose, and then once it kind of settled in, I pushed the rest of it in, and it's a nice tight seal. I zip tied the IMRCs open, and that is all I got for now. I will have to do some custom headers for it because I don't have any room to play with the engine inside the chassis that it's in. So I don't know if you guys want to check it out. Come down here really quick. Alright. So that's where we're at right now. So I was planning on moving this over this way up to the end. Just drill it out, and then use a die to open it up or move it over, all that good stuff. And then this, I was just gonna make another hole, cut the weld on the nut on the backside and move it over and then tack it or re-weld it so it would move over. So I'd have at least about 1.5 inches of clearance on this side, and then that would have made my Cook's headers fit in perfect. But the issue is now that the power steering would hit. You see that right up in there? So I can point to it. That right there, that is like 1/4 inch away from the frame. So I wasn't gonna do it because then I have knock issues. So obviously that's not an option to do. So I just went ahead and said, screw it. I'll pay the money, get the right build headers, and hopefully maybe it will take 1 or 2 tries shipping back and forth to get them right. But we'll see when I get with the ultimate headers to get it built, because that's the only option I have. That or take it somewhere and then they're gonna have it there for God knows how long trying to make these headers, because I mean obviously they're gonna have more builds to be doing, you know. I don't want to have to put up with that 3, 4, 5 months in their shop to make some damn headers, you know, versus Ultimate Headers, all they do is just headers. So I know that that's all they that's all the time they have to do is headers, and more headers, you know, versus a custom shop around here. You know, they're doing headers or builds, they're doing a bunch of other stuff, you know, so they'll just squeeze me in whenever they have time, which I don't have time for. Actually, I do, but I'd rather not. I need this truck. I need to be able to see this truck. If not, I'll go crazy. Yeah, but that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think. If anything you see that I'm missing, I would much appreciate you guys let me know now versus later on. Alright guys, I'm out. Take it easy. Till next time.